Hi everyone, today I am going to present one poem, O Captain, My Captain by Walt Whitman. This is Joy Priya. About the poet. Abraham Lincoln was an American statesman and lawyer who served as the 16th President of the United States from 1861 to 1865. Lincoln led the nation through the American Civil War, the fourth greatest moral, constitutional, and political crisis. About the author. Walt Whitman was an American poet, essayist, and journalist. In humanism, he was a part of transience between transcendentalism and realism, incorporating both views in his work. Whitman is among the most influential poets in American canon, often called the father of free verse. About the poem. O Captain, my Captain, our fearful trip is done. Rise up for you, the flag is flung. For you, the bugle trill. For you, bouquets and ribbons wreaths. For you, the shores are crowding. For you, they call, the swaying mass. Their eager face turning. Her captain, dear father, this arm beneath your head. It is some dream that on the deck you have fallen cold and dead. O Captain, my Captain, our fearful trip is done. The ship has weathered every rack. The prize we shot is won. The port is near, the bell I hear. The people are exulting, while following ice the steady keel. The vessels grim and daring. But, O heart, 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 O the bleeding drops of red, where on the deck my captain lies, fallen cold and dead. My captain does not answer, his lips are pale and still. My father does not feel my arm. He has no pulse nor will. The ship unearthed safe and sound, its voyage closed and done. From fearful trip the victor ship, come in with object won. Exult, O shore, and ring, O bells. But I with mournful tread walk on the deck, my captain lies, fallen cold and dead. About the poem overview. The poem was written by Whitman when Abraham Lincoln, the President of USA, was assassinated after the Civil War in 1865. In the poem, the USA is compared to a ship and Abraham Lincoln is compared to the captain. The prize is the unity of the country. Abraham Lincoln, the president of the ship, the United States of America, the civil war between the North and the South states is over. The brave and skillful captain has successfully by Abraham the ship back home after a dangerous and fearful voyage. He has North and South got the prize of the war, that is the unity of nation. The port is near and the people are happy and ready to raise their captain. The people waiting on the shore with their eyes keenly follow the ship that has performed as bold and fearful voyage. But alas, the people could not welcome and honor their captain because he is dead. Though the war is won, the captain is dead. He is lying dead on the upper floor of the ship and it's bleeding. The poet who wishes Lincoln were not dead asks him to rise up and hear the sound of the bell and see the flag being to celebrate his victory. People have thrown with bouquets and have ribbons, wreaths in their hands in order to welcome the victorious captain. The swimming people shout the name of the captain. in joy and are eager to see his face. But the captain, their dear father, lies dead, keeping his arm under his beak. It seems that he is dreaming lying on the deck. The captain has fallen cold and dead. The captain does not answer the people calls because he is dead. His lip has become pale and the body is still. He does not feel the touch of his arm by the point. The point neither feel of his heart nor his pulse. The ship is announced safe on the shore. The voyage is over. The ship has come back from the fearful trip successfully. It has won its object. On the shore, the bells are ringing and there is joy and happiness everywhere. But the poet walks on the deck where the captain is lying cold and dead, with sadness and sorrows to honor the fallen captain. Here, captain is Abraham, ship is the North American people, victor is Walt Whitman. Glossary. Weathered. Full form weathered means came through a difficult situation. Rack. A very difficult situation. Exulting. Feeling happy and proud of success. Keel. A long bar along the bottom of the ship. Grim. Serious. Duck. A floor of a ship. Flung. Thrown with a lot of force. Bugle. A brass instrument like a small trumpet. Trills. Make short, sharp, high-pitched sound. Bouquets. A bunch of flowers that has been basted together and attractively arranged. Ribbons. Full form ribbon. Wreaths. An arrangement of flowers and leaves in a circular shape. Crowding. Getting crowded. Swaying. Moving slowly from side to side. Mass. Crowd of people. Pulse. The regular beating of the heart. Will. A determination to do something. Unnudged. Full form unnudged. Unnudged lower into the water in order to keep a ship or boat at one place. Victor. Victories. Mournful. Very sad. Tread. Step. So this is about O Captain, My Captain poem. Thank you for watching.